Hi there, this is Chris with musegrid.com, and we're going to be looking at some other publishing options in this tutorial. So we've looked at publishing with Business Catalyst and managing with Business Catalyst, but Muse also allows us to have two other options. One is export as HTML and upload to FTP host. So we're going to take a look at that now. So if you click on upload to FTP host, it'll ask us there to fill in our details. So the domain name, FTP host directory, which is the directory on your server where you want the files to be published to, your username and your password. Now what's great with Muse FTP upload as well is it allows us to upload all files or just the modified files. So if you're using Muse for a kind of localized content management service, then it means that you can just upload the files that you've modified rather than the entire site every time you want to upload, which is great. So fill those details in. Once those are all in there, you'll see the little blue OK button pop up, and you click OK and it'll start to publish. And then when you make modifications to your site, add new pages and so on, and you want to publish again, just go back to File, Upload to FTP host. Now the publish and manage buttons do not connect to the upload via FTP. So once you've put those details in, don't get confused and think that those two are going to do the same things as Business Catalyst hosting, because they don't. You just need to continue to use the upload to FTP host. So that's basically it with uploading to FTP. There's not a lot more to say about that apart from just get your details from your hosting company and pop them in there, and make sure that you save the file obviously, and then it will save all the FTP details with it, and have fun. Thanks for watching.